Hi, this is Mr. Ward, and this is the Geometry Do Now 30.3 video key. All right, so the first thing you want to do for this is you want to review this information. You might have heard of something called Pythagorean triples. So Pythagorean triples are neat and tidy um, right triangles with neat and tidy sides where if you have three whole numbers that satisfy a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then you have a Pythagorean triple. And the Pythagorean triples come with families that are scaled up or scaled down. Not all members of the family are Pythagorean triples, but if you scale up and down, it's a similar triangle, and so they will work for the Pythagorean theorem. So this is the 3, 4, 5. It's the most famous basic Pythagorean triple. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 equals 25, which is 5 squared. Okay, and this is 6, 8, 10. Each one has been scaled up by 2. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. 36 plus 64 is going to equal 100, which is 10 squared. And 9 squared is going to be 81. 12 squared will be 144. And 81 plus 144 will equal 225, which is 15 squared. And over here, we're just scaling the 3, 4, 5 triangle up by a factor of the square root of 3. All right, now, down here, we've got a couple of other types. There's an infinite number of Pythagorean triples. The 5, 12, 13 one, the 7, 24, 25 one, and the 8, 15, 17 one. Okay, and my battery is running low, so I'm going to pause the video to plug in. And we're back, and my computer has the electricity. But here we go. There are others. There's the 9, 40, 41, the 11, 60, 61, 20, 21, 29, 12, 35, 37. And while it may say they are not used very often, I will let you know that they are on standardized entrance tests for graduate studies and so forth, in the quantitative reasoning world. There's math tests that you will take to get into universities and so forth and get grants are going to be filled with these. So if you know them, they will give you some nice shortcuts. And they're very interesting to consider. So here we have a family of 3, 4, 5 triangles. Each one of these is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. I've asked you to find the missing side for A and B. So triangle A and triangle B. So the missing side for this one, this is 15, 20. This is the 3 and the 4. So that's scaled up by 5. That's scaled up by 5. So then the 5 will be scaled up by 5. So that's going to be 25. And this one, this is going to be the 3, and that's going to be the 5. These have both been scaled up by 9. So the 4 will be scaled up by 9 as well. So 4 times 9 will be 36. So 25 and 36 are the missing sides there. Okay, and here we've got a 5, 12, 13 family, and I want you to find the missing sides for A and B. So for A, 24 and 26 smell suspiciously like 12 and 13. So they're just doubled, which means the 5 will be doubled here. So A, we're going to be doing 2 times 5, which will be 10 units. And then B here, we've got a 30 and a 72. So this is going to be the 5 and the 12. That'll be the 13 side. So 5 times 6 is 30. 12 times 6 is 72. And 13 times 6 is 78. So B is going to be 6 times 13, which is going to equal 78 units. Let's look at number 3. We have 7, 24, 25 triangles. All right, the first one, and we just want A and B. The first one is 70 and 240. Well, that's just 10 times 7 and 10 times 24. So that's going to be 10 times 25. So for A, we have 10 times 25, which will equal 250 units. And for B, we have a 14 and a 50. If that's the 7, that's going to be has to be the 7. That's 2 times 7, and that's 2 times 25. So this will be 2 times 48. So 2 times 24, and it'll be a 48. So 2 times 24 will equal 48 units. Okay, and I need to change that number on this one, but that's okay. Here we go. So here we have an 8, 15, 17 family. So this is going to be, we want A and B. We got a 24 and a 45. 24 is 3 times 8, and 45 is 3 times 15. So this is going to be 3 times 17. So A is going to be 3 times 17, which equals 51 units. And B, well, 1.6 smells suspiciously like 16. So that's going to be 8 times 0.2. And this 3 smells suspiciously like 30. So this is going to be 15 times 0.2. So we're going to be multiplying 17 times 0.2. So 0.2 times 17 will equal 3.4 units, because 2 times 17 would be 34. And there you have it. I hope that helps.